Now, I don't know if you know this, but corn is the #1 crop grown in the United States. But a farmer in the United States can only plant corn once a year. And when they harvest it, they got to get it to market. And so that means that you are likely at harvest time to find corn on sale. And I'm going to show you how to take advantage of those sale prices and buy a bunch of extra corn and freeze it.
Freezing corn on the cob is easy. All you need to do is inspect the ears, and if you find any that has any damage or looks like it's kind of getting ripe, those are the ones that you want to eat first. The other ones you want to freeze. And really the only thing you need to do is cut off the silk on the top of the corn. Then you just stack them on the shelf in your freezer. You don't need to wrap them up in plastic wrap or put them in a Ziploc bag. Then when it's time to cook the corn, you don't have to thaw it out. All you have to do is add 1 to 2 minutes more to the cooking time. Cooking time for one ear will vary based on the power of your microwave and the size of the corn. But my microwave is pretty powerful, it's 1100 watts, so I only need 4 minutes. When you remove the corn from the microwave, make sure that you use an oven mitt, because this corn is extremely hot. One of the great things about cooking corn in a microwave is that you do not have to remove the husk in advance. Also, when you do pull the husk off, almost all of those little silk strings come off with it. Check this out. We need to find the end of the ear and cut off about ½ an inch. Then all we have to do is grab the top of the corn by the silk and squeeze it. If you have trouble sliding the corn out, it's an indication that it's not fully cooked. Let's check the temperature of this dude. It's 187 degrees. That's definitely fully cooked.